YouTube, what is good? This is Corey Dweller, aka Low Key Fashion, and I am back with another video, man. Before we get to the Yeezy boots, I just want to say shout out to all my new subscribers, man. Shout out to my day one subscribers. Still showing me love, man. Still showing me support. It's very much appreciated. Now on to the boots, man. I'm excited to show y'all my first Yeezy pickups, man. It's actually the Yeezy Desert boots in the oil colorway that just dropped September the 14th, I think. So they just came out and I got lucky on Foot Lockers. Like a week before these actually dropped, I hit up all my sneakerhead homies. I hit up the sneaker plugs and shit like, yo, how can I get these shoes, bro? What is the hype behind them? Are they sleepers? Whatever. They basically told me they were sleepers and it's gonna be an easy cop for me. So I was excited as hell, like, bet. A lot of my friends don't like this boot, and I honestly think that they just ain't got no fucking swag, bro. Honestly, they just don't know what the fuck they doing. You gotta know how to swag with these, bro. Honestly, you can't just throw anything on with these. So I'm gonna keep this sneaker review very simple, straight to the point. I'm gonna tell you everything that I like about them and everything that I don't like about them. It's not that much that I don't like, but getting into the details of the boot. First of all, I like the fact that it's all one color. It's just like that oil, kind of like a chocolate color. I really like the fact that it's like a mid-top boot, so it doesn't really look like a combat military style boot, you know what I'm saying? It's great for the fall. This is like the definition of like a fall boot. Like, this is it. You ask what the fuck is a fall boot? This is a fall boot. This is perfect. I don't know how this gonna do in the snow. I might rock these through the snow. I don't even know yet. Out of all three colors, it dropped in like a salt, which is like a white grayish white color. Obviously the oil's this color, and the other ones is like a beige, like tan. Like, those honestly look like every military combat boot. It's no logos on it. Doesn't have any Yeezy logos on it at all, bro. A lot of people wouldn't even know what these are. In my opinion, these boots say low-key fashion. Like, they say low-key fashion, bro. This boot might as well say low-key, and this one might as well say fashion, honestly. And the last thing I pretty much like about them is the pricing on them. $200, bro. That's a pair of Timbs, bro. I'm not wearing no more Timbs. I'm done with that, bro. Everyone and they mama wears Timbs. I've upgraded. I moved on to Yeezy boots. All right, so what I don't like about them is they fit very snug, bro. Like, this is a size 9, but it fits like an 8.5, honestly. So if you do get these, bro, consider sizing up, bro. Definitely consider it, because they fit very, very snug. I do not like that shit at all. Like I said, it doesn't have any logo, but if it did have something, maybe like back here that said like Yeezy or like season something, that would have been fire. Just like little details like that, maybe up here, it would have just had like the Yeezy or some shit, bro. That would have been fire. I feel like they was lacking on that part. But other than that, like I said, it's not too much I don't like about them, because this is a how to style video. We gonna get into the fits, on a few fits that I will wear with these, man. And hopefully I'm inspiring somebody out there. That's the main point of the videos, man. Be sure to leave a thumbs up for me, man. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. It's been your boy Corey Dweller, aka Low Key Fashion, man. And I'ma holla at y'all on the next video, man. Peace.
Everybody on that other shit. Is this something I won't understand? Don't you call me by my government. You get kicked out, girl, and I ain't playing. She taking photos for her Instagram. Don't try to tag me, girl, I'm not your man. I told that nigga that you not the man. I met the plug and told him lock me in. Lock me in, ayy. Told him lock me in. We smoked lots of grams. Had to roll down the window for some oxygen. Ay, you looking for the real? Yeah, I'm right here. The whole summer I finessed, I feel it's my year. Cold summers, I'm a mess, bring the ice here. Dark shades, hide the pain, cover my tears. Through the mirror I see you working on me. I see that clothing ain't cheap. They close the curtains on me. This chain just froze up on me. You don't need to stress, locally the best. Supposedly I rest, at the top I guess. Used to want my ex, now I want protect. When I came on the scene, they all made a guess. They all thought I'm a queen, but really I designed this shit. It all was a dream, I was just in Cali lit. My thoughts get the best of me, I don't know how to feel. Call her one of my little shorties. I'm like, what now? It's hot, I'm fucking all her friends. I'ma bust down this watch and hold 1,000 gems. When I touch down on the block, they fucking off the bins. Damn, what a feeling, gotta go veneers. After that, like fuck a dentist. If she fucking off the clout, I ain't even got an interest. If she sliding to the house, we just fucking, that's the mission. We just fucking, that's the mission, Took it all to the brain, this shit get critical. Let me talk to this pain, can't get rid of you. Do it all for the gang, no individuals. Got a handful of rings, I ain't missing